This is boba milk tea, the most iconic drink originating from Taiwan. How many cups of boba tea do Taiwanese drink annually? According to numbers published by Chun Shui Tang, a tea shop that claims to have been the inventor of bubble milk tea, the answer is 100 million cups. That means if you pile the cups up, it's about 1,700 times the height of Mount Everest. Boba milk tea has become Taiwan's most iconic drink in the 21st century. According to a survey published by Allied Market Research, the global market of bubble tea is only growing bigger every year. The market is estimated to surpass $4.3 billion by the end of 2027.
Wow.
When it comes to boba tea, I can stop everything, including hosting.
Yeah, this is like a blast of the past, like childhood memories.
And pride of Taiwan.
Yeah, that too. I also find it's really interesting. Taiwanese people love buying beverages. It's like one of the biggest things we always buy.
Like, if you have a rough day, you don't just whine. You say to your colleagues, do you want to order some drinks? It's comforting.
Yeah, it's a comfort food.
Comfort food. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Listen, can you tell us a bit of the background for this beverage kind of industry in Taiwan?
Okay, I think I remember when I was a child, my father sell the material to the ice store. The chopping.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And because it's hard to do this for business, because the summer days is too short.
Okay.
So because they only sell the material to ice store, it's hard to make a lot of money.
Oh,
so my
okay.
father to try to thinking about some idea. So he went to Tainan to learn how to make a bubble tea. So you will know the bubble tea stand.
Okay.
The bubble stand is only small stand,
Yes.
and you can sell the bubble tea on the road.
Right.
But
But that's like the black tea, right?
Yeah, it's black tea.
The black tea with sugar and they shake it, so it's got the bubbles on the top. Right.
Yes, and then because the improve some material. Yeah, for example, like a tapioca boba.
Yes.
Right.
And also anything improve. So show up the bubble tea shop. Right now, like a bubble tea shop.
Yeah.
And right now, this is getting very popular in the world because this one is very creative. Yes, compared with the coffee, you can also drink, also eat.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I don't remember my first boba tea, but coming to Taiwan, did you have boba tea before you came to Taiwan, Alex?
No, I didn't know that thing is existing before. Yeah. So the first time I came here, all of your classmates, of course, they're gonna tell, oh, you should try the drinks or the Taiwanese bubble milk tea. So I tried for the first time. I remember it was without ice, and then with some sugar. I think
half sugar, or 70%.
Yeah, I tried and I don't like it. I tried, I'm like,
you
wait.
don't like it?
No, I think it. Well,
okay, thank you, Alex. no, sorry, go on.
I tried for the first time. I think it's weird because for me, I never tried the cold tea. It was the first time for me to try the milk tea itself.
Right.
Yes.
And then it was a cold one, so it feels kind of weird. I don't know. And then
You're used to hot tea.
yeah, I used to get hot tea. Yes.
It's so cold in Russia.
Yeah, maybe that's why. So I didn't know that there's a cold milk tea.
So this is culture shock.
Already.
Yes. But I like the bubble part. I just didn't like the tea. And they all tell me oh, you need to try the second time. I'm like, okay, let me try second time. And then after I try for the second time, I'm like, wait, it's not that bad. Let me try one more time. And then after I try the third time, I'm like, oh wow, this is really delicious. And I think it's getting addicted to it. It's
Addiction. I know I have addiction to boba tea. Oh my god.